Hi guys, welcome back. It's Mandy. Thanks for coming. Today Reba is joining us. There's my pretty puppy. She's so cute. Today we're going to do the Ipsy unboxing. It actually came really quick. And on a quick note, I want to say that Ipsy's customer service is fantastic. They, last month, I don't know if you guys watched the video or not, but they did not send me the brush that came in and I only got 4 items. And I was kind of upset about it. However, I emailed them and they told me, you know, check the outside of the bag or inside the bag because it wasn't in the makeup bag. I did. It wasn't there. And I emailed them back and within 2 weeks, I got my brush. So heads up, props up, shout out to Ipsy's customer service. They are fantastic. Anyway, without further ado, we are going to go ahead and get into this. I have not seen, I've seen the bag, of course. I like to be surprised with you. Every time I see a YouTube video, I try to stay away from it so I don't see the products that are in it. All right. Oh, so they have changed up their cards. This is the card. Well, it kind of ruins it now because I done seen it. There's the back, and the back actually has the products that are in the bag. Okay. There's a lot to love this month. Aside from your 5 personal picks, flip for more on those. Let us introduce you to your next beauty crush, Ipsy add-ons. Starting now, in addition to your 5 picks, you can choose 3 product samples, hair, makeup, skincare, and more, to add to your next glam bag starting at $3 each. We'll keep things fresh with 30 new add-on products every single month from brands you love like Huda Beauty, Sunday Riley, Smashbox, and more. You'll never run out of things to try. Get free shipping on add-ons always. Want in? Be on the lookout for an email or check ipsy.com at the beginning of the month and be sure to act fast. Once we run out, they're gone. Is your heart racing yet? Anyway, that's kind of cool. I did hear about that. So let's get into the bag. This is the bag, the Valentine's, very appropriate for Valentine's Day. Got the Ipsy, it's a little rubber one. I think it's cute. I love all their bags. I think they're really cute and well made. That's what's inside. So let's see. Oh, so I did watch a video that says how many or what like all 50 products could be in the videos. I usually watch that, but that doesn't tell you what's going to be in yours because there's like 50 products, so you don't know. I did see her review this and I was hoping that I would get this, and this is the MAC powder. Now most people had used this when they were younger as a staple. I wasn't really into MAC when I was younger. I was doing drugstore stuff, so that's what it looks like on the inside. It's got a little tiny pad. Mine is in the shade, where's my shade? NC30. Alright, so it says, MAC celebrates individuality for all ages, races, and sexes. The matte finish powder foundation gives medium to full coverage, goes on velvety smooth, and blends like a dream. Plus, the long-lasting streak-free formula means your look will stay put all day. So, let's see if it matches. It is like a little cheap plastic thing, but let's see if it, that's what it looks like. It's very creamy. Oh, it'll work. You know, I'll probably use this for under my eyes, you know, to try to brighten it up or whatever. That's a good product. I like that. That's good. All right, so let's pull out the next thing. And this is, oh, Pixi Glow Tonic. I have never tried their products, so this is kind of cool for me. All right, so this is Pixi by Petra Glow Tonic. Founded by a working mom of 4, Pixi is all about products that multitask, made with aloe vera to soothe, ginseng to help circulate, and glycolic acid to exfoliate. It's no wonder everyone at Ipsy HQ is completely obsessed with this glow getter. Tip: to begin with clean skin, soak on a cotton pad with tonic and smooth it across your face, neck, and chest. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer. So let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's sealed. Yay. Open. Open. There we go. Wait, another little film underneath that. Oh my goodness, they really got it sealed. All right. Smells good. I don't know. I can't describe it. It's not very strong. I definitely am going to give it a try. It's a new product for me. That's why I love Ipsy bags. All right, so let's go to the next item. And this is in a little bubble wrap so it doesn't get ruined. So I'm assuming it's a powder. And it says Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. So that's what it looks like. It says, where's it at? Okay. I don't even know how to pronounce their name. Seraphim. Products are made from plant-based fair trade I can't talk today. Sourced ingredients. This highly pigmented highlighter is made with natural daisy flower extract and jojoba, you guys, jojoba seed oil to nourish and hydrate your skin. Plus micronized luminizing pigments give you a natural looking glow. So let's see what it looks like. I love getting highlighters. I just got the best highlighter in my Jeffree Star bag. If you guys watch that, I love it. Okay, it doesn't want to come out. All right, so that's what the packaging looks like. It's really nice, very sturdy plastic. Okay, so it's kind of like the Jeffree Star highlighter that I just got. Pretty much the same thing. It is in, does it have a, it does not have a name to it. So, okay. No, it's not like the Jeffree Star highlighter. Let's do that again. I think you guys can see it. It's okay. We'll have to see what it looks like on the face. But I'll give it a shot. And there's a lot in there, so that'll last a while. All right, next item is, oh, great. Just what everybody loves to get, an eyeliner. Can you see it? Doche. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure how to pronounce that one at all. I think it's Doche or I don't know. But it just says it is a graphic pen in black. It does go through a description, but we all know what it is. It is, looks like felt tip, nice point. It goes on smooth. My favorite is Kat Von D's tattoo liner, but it doesn't look like it's bleeding. So, I mean, I don't know why I smelled it, but actually it does smell kind of chemically. I don't know. I'll give it a shot. I mean, obviously I use eyeliner every day. All right, so we have one more thing in the bag, and I'm so happy for this because every day I've been using the Elemis lotion before I put my makeup on, and I love it. It's so good. And this is Elemis Superfood Facial Wash. I want to get the rest of the, well, not the rest because there's a lot, but a lot of their products to try them out because I really, really like that moisturizer. All right, so it says Elemis products are crafted by a team of scientists and skincare experts who believe in the power of natural ingredients. Fortified with nourishing avocado and kale, your skin will slurp up the good stuff in this face wash like we do a healthy smoothie. So let's see what it smells like. It's sealed. Elemis is a really good skincare company. It is a little bit pricey, but I don't know if you can see. It's got a little bit of a green tint to it. It's very tacky. You won't be able to see it. Smells really good. It smells not florally. It just kind of smells like a soap would. So we'll definitely give that a shot. Anyway, so what did you guys think of the Ipsy bag this month? Let me know what you guys got down in the comments if you got anything similar to what I got. So I got the highlighter, the tonic, the MAC, the face wash, and the eyeliner. So let me know what you guys got. Don't forget to leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day, guys. Bye.